Hey, it's your old pal Lucid Stu again, bringing you another California high-speed rail adventure. In May, I went to check out the California high-speed rail route again, and part of that was passing through the Tehachapi area. Well, you know what that means, Tehachapi Loop. I missed getting footage of it last year, so I wanted to make sure I stopped and got at least some footage of the loop itself this year. But lucky me and lucky you, that turned into a happy accident. So I started off at this remote exit on the freeway and launched my drone from the top of my car. Now from the maps that I was looking at, I figured I'd be able to see the loop from where I got off the freeway. I had no idea there was this little hill here. As a result, I had to fly my drone over this little hill to find the loop, and when I did, because of the glare on my phone, I didn't see the loop. So at this point, I'm freaking out, like, this thing should be here. Where is it? And you can clearly see the loop is right there, and there's a train moving through it, but I could not see that. So right here, I'm trying to figure out where is this thing. And here I'm panning to the right to get my bearings to see where the freeway is, and then I pan back to the left to follow the tracks, and I'm thinking, okay, it's gotta be in here somewhere. So why don't I just keep going out toward where I think it is, gain a little altitude, and maybe I'll see it. So right about here where the train is curling around on the top, I finally catch it. I'm like, okay, I got it. For those who don't know, the Tehachapi Loop is an interesting rail feature where the train actually travels over itself in a loop because the grade here is so steep that it's not efficient for the train to go up the canyon in a straighter line. And so it's just one of these cool things that a train does. So now that we've got it in view, I'm going to stop yapping and let you enjoy the rest of this video. So I hope you enjoyed this 1 in 100 chance of catching this train on accident, rolling through the Tehachapi Loop and up the hill toward Tehachapi from Bakersfield. This is not the last California high-speed rail adventure. I still have more footage to go and expect those to keep coming every week for probably at least a month. But that's all for now. Until next time, I'll see you on that big beautiful freeway.